Hello, hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the performance parameters of half-wave rectifier. So half-wave rectifier we already discussed in the previous class. So what are the characteristics that we have in this half-wave rectifier? RMS value, average value, ripple factor and rectifier efficiency. So what is first one? RMS value. RMS value. So the RMS value of a current or a voltage of a rectifier is also known as effective value of current or voltage of the rectifier. The RMS value of current of the half-wave rectifier is given by the general equation that we have, IRMS is equal to Im by 2. We want RMS value. So we got RMS value is equal to of current is equal to Im. What is Im? Maximum current, the peak current, Im by 2. Okay. Now we want Vrms also, but we don't know what is Vrms. But we know that V is equal to IR. You know, V is equal to IR. Let me draw you rectifier circuit diagram. Half-wave rectifier. AC input and pulsated DC, not pure DC, pulsated DC output. But here we also have load resistance RL, and this diode is also having some resistance, that is RF, forward resistance of a diode. So see, Vrms we want. So Vrms. So what is the current that is flowing? High RMS. And the resistance that we have here are L. Okay. Now we know that IRMS is equal to Im by 2. Let you put this here, Im by 2 into RL. Then we can write Vrms is equal to, we know that Im, again we know in general what is I is equal to V by R. So what is the R value, the resistance in the total circuit? We have two resistors, resistance values RF by RL, RF plus RL. So Vm, maximum voltage, by RL plus RF by 2. Just this Vm by RL plus RF is nothing but our Im into the present resistance RL. So we get RMS is equal to Vm by 2 into RL plus RF. Here the value of RF is very minute, so we can neglect RF. Vm by 2 RL into RL. Then RL cancel. Then Vrms is equal to Vm by 2. It is not very equal because we neglected RF. So similar to Vm by 2. So this is about RMS value of current and derived voltage. And the next, average value. So the maximum, the average value of the current or voltage of a rectifier is also known as DC value of current or voltage of the rectifier, because we take average as DC, pulsated DC. So here we have I average is equal to IDC, where it is nothing but our Im by pi. Why I took pi? Because it is only conducted for 180 degrees, no, only half of the 180 degrees, so we take by pi. So the what is the voltages that we have here? Average voltage, that is also DC only, where IDC into RL. So where we have ID is equal to Im by pi. So Im by pi into RL. So it is very similar. So average voltage is similar to VDC, which is similar to Vm by pi. And then next we have ripple factor. Ripple factor. So here the purpose of the rectifier is to convert AC to pulsated DC. So here we have also the AC components mixed in this DC. So we have to know the ripple factor so that we can know the efficiency of that rectifier. It is known by ripple factor is equal to RMS value of component of AC component that is ripple. See, RMS value of AC component. Here we give input as AC, but we get pulsated DC, which means not pure DC form. So it is a mixture of some AC components. So to get that, to know the efficiency of this rectifier, we take RMS value of AC components. Means these are found in this pulsated DC. So by DC value that we want to obtain, so is equal to, so the ripple factor gamma is equal to VRMS. VR of RMS means the voltage of this ripple. Let me tell you, this ripple, the voltage of ripple, but which is in RMS, by VDC. So DC components of VD. And then if it is for current I, okay, current, for what, for which ripples, okay, which is in RMS, and then IDC we know. But in simple form we have an equation that way I square of RMS is equal to IDC square plus IR of RMS. See here, IRMS value is nothing but our output, but this output is having how many types of current? 2. What are they? 1 DC and some ripples means AC component current. So we have 2 in the output, but what is the output? RMS value. So IRMS is the mixture of 2 currents, right? What is this? DC plus ripple current, which is in RMS. So I square. Now to find this, let you take this to this side. So then you get RMS square is equal to IRMS square minus IDC square. If you want to get only current, not in square, then IR of RMS is equal to root of IRMS whole square minus IDC square, not whole square, square. Now what we want actually, ripple factor, but we calculated only RMS. This we calculated, but we want ripple factor, the factor we want to know the actual efficiency of the half a rectifier. So what is this? Ripple factor is equal to see, ripple component current which is in RMS is nothing but our root of I square RMS minus IDC square by IDC. So here we know that what is IRMS? IRMS is nothing but Im by 2. Here we saw IRMS is equal to Im by 2. So let you substitute here Im by 2 whole square minus ID. What is ID? I mean average current, which is nothing but Im by pi. Im by pi whole square by Im by pi. And not whole root, just root of. Then if you solve this, we get Im by 2 whole square, and I took Im by pi common. Minus Im by pi in common. So if you took common, yes, sorry, Im by 2 by whole square by Im by pi whole square minus 1. If I took common, I get this equation. So if you solve this, I mean if we practically know the values of Im and all IRMS and ID, then we get triple factor which is nearly equal to 1.21. And then the last one, performance parameter that we have, rectifier efficiency. In general, we calculate efficiency as output by input, but here we take with power parameters. So we have P DC by PAC. See, power of here, power of this pulsated DC and the power of this AC. Then we get generally power is nothing but I square by R, but we are here having I DC and the resistance are L, where this IDC is again Im by pi whole square into RL, and then this is for DC, PDC. PAC, for PAC we have IRMS square, and then total resistance we have in the whole circuit RF plus RL, which is where again pi. This RMS is equal to Im by 2 whole square into RF plus RL. So we want to know the rectifier efficiency. Then this neta is equal to PDC. Here the PDC value we get Im by pi whole square into RL, and then PAC we have Im by 2 whole square into RF plus RL. So now we cancel this Im, then we get pi square by 4 into RL, RF plus RL. If you calculate, then we get nearly 0.406 into RL plus RF plus RL. I already told you that RF is very small, so that we can be neglect, then can be cancelled, RL can be cancelled, then the rectifier efficiency of the half wave rectifier will be 0.406. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.